Are you aware that the letter Ra has two scenarios? Aman Rahim from Quran Flow, presenting to you for your 10-day Quran challenge for Dhul Hijjah. The letter Ra is one of those letters that is sometimes heavy, and is one of those letters that are sometimes light. When is it heavy and when is it light? Let's talk about those specific scenarios. If the letter Ra itself has a sound sign making the A or the U sound, then it's going to be heavy. What do I mean by heavy? So you hear very commonly bi rabbi, ra, ra. Even it's very common, even in the saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You hear it Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, ra. No, rather ra, ra. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ Bi-ra. How do you achieve that? All right, let's talk about that. So the letter ra is going to be heavy if it has in itself the sound sign making the a sound or u, right? To achieve that, you're going to elevate the rear of your tongue, curve the sides of your tongue towards the roof of your mouth. Ra. Bi-rabbi, bi-rabbi, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Beautiful job. I want you guys to continue reading with me. Now, the letter Ra, on the other hand, if it has an accent mark, a sound sign in the bottom, making the E sound, then you're going to pronounce it with a flat sound. Quite literally, keep your tongue flat. Do not elevate the rear of your tongue. And most importantly, ensure not to roll this sound. It's very common here, sherri, sherri, right? Rolling it. No, we don't want to roll the letter Ra, right? It's not a Spanish R, right, where you're rolling it. But rather here we want to keep it flat and just apply your strong sign or your shaddah. So you keep your tongue flat and do not say sharri, sharri. No, flat tongue. Try it with me. Sharri, sharri. Min sharri ma khalaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Beautiful job. Now we have more examples of this throughout the portion. So let's go ahead and read it together, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. من شر ما خلق. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. Well executed. Beautiful. Now, if you want to learn more about the intricate details, like for example, what do you do if the letter Ra has a rest sign on it? For that information, ensure that you visit us at quranflow.org and enroll in our upcoming semester. See you guys over there. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.